Legal disclaimer: do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Well, welcome back, I should say, Flat Earth traders. We are going to update trade number 10. This was one that we did. Rob did a walk around and we found Urban Outfitters, but we set a limit order out there that never got triggered. But here at Flat Earth, it's not about the entry, it's about the management. So let's change, or let's make the adjustment necessary to get into this trade. If you're new to this channel, folks, we do things randomly. We just pick random ticker symbols, and we believe that the majority of success is going to be on the management style of the trades that we come across. So let's just jump into this one that we had talked about. This is the breakdown. This was for yesterday, or yesterday. It's Urban Outfitters. It was short. We got the position size of 566 based on a 1% risk loss. Our entry was 33.18. And this is the other breakdown that we had, was our 2 ATR target, our 4 times ATR target, our stop. I'm not going to change that much. The only thing I'm going to change is our entry. We got to go out there and just put this into market and see what we get, and then we'll come back and fill this out. So let's jump out to our software. Now, as you can see, folks, that we do have the order right down here. It is a limit to sell at 33. Now, this thing just fell off the face of the earth. Not really that hard, but it slipped on us. And that's what happens when you have orders that carry overnight, and they sometimes trigger and they sometimes don't. This one looks like it just didn't quite make it. We were below the market, but there was a slight gap down in that morning yesterday, and it just never came back to fill us. All right, folks, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just cancel the trailing stop part of this order and then switch this sell order to market, update it, and that should get us in the position. There we are. We're short in our Urban Outfitters, our 566. Now let's go ahead and put the trail back on it. So I'm going to do a buy order this time. And this is going to be a trail. And I have to do the position size here of 566. And it is going to trail by $1.84, 2 times the ATR when we started this. Go ahead and enter on this and hit submit. And you can see we have our trail set there, $1.84 behind our short order. So that's all we have to do. Next thing we got to do is we got to update it in our journal. So let's do that right now. So moving into our journal, we need to add a new trade, don't we? So let's put in our trade. You guys can watch me go through this. Symbol was Urban Outfitters. And that was a sale. Today's date works. Today's time works. We did 566 shares. And our average price was $32.15. Our commissions, folks. Let's check our commissions really quick here, guys. And as you can see, we paid $2.32 in commissions. So we're going to enter that as well. $2.32. No fees and so on and so forth. So we hit save. Looks like we have successfully saved it. Let's go back to our dashboard and see that our trade is indeed up and running. There it is right there. All right, folks, so let's break down the new trade criteria. So here it is. I just changed the date to today's date because we didn't get that limit order yesterday. I'm kept the same amount of shares because the stop loss is still $1.84 away. 566, our entry price was $32.15. Updated the trade exit rules. 2 times the ATR is our first target at 30.31. 4 times the ATR is our second target at 28.47. Other than that, folks, it is the same trade. So what do we do next? We just sit back and watch this trade. Thanks for joining me on the update, and we'll see you guys next time on Flat Earth Trading.